How to turn off or on your notifications on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable or disable your notification on the REDnote app. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is access your profile page by tapping on the bottom right corner on the Me tab. Once you land on your profile page, just tap on the gear icon to access your settings, and then from here you'll just have to find notification settings on your settings menu. Now once you tap on notification, the very first option you'll see is receive message notification if you have turned on the entire notification for this app. Now if you toggle this on, only you will be able to control your notification settings. Now, if you try to control these settings, it will first ask you to allow notification for the app. Now, for that, you first have to long press on it to head over to its app info, tap on notification, and as you can see, it is now blocked. But if I just enable it like this, now you'll have full control over the notification on the REDnote app. Now, if I go back here and tap on notification settings again, as you can see, I have full access over all of my notification settings, including my chat notification, current notification, and in-app notifications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.